Hugh, what would you consider a series of best practices around data migration?
Okay, so best practices just generally, if you're going to do it yourself, because I think it's important for people to understand that we're in this business because we want customers to have a great experience no matter what they do. So if you choose to do this yourself, or you choose to use someone, or you choose to use us, whatever you choose to do, here are some things that we've learned over time. Get very clear about what it is you want to bring in, and get very clear about how the modules will work based on the level and detail of history that you're looking to bring in. And start with the end in mind. So have a good idea about the reporting that you want to populate in Sage Intacct and what you'll be using those reports for before you get started loading templates. That's a really key first step. The second is to get really, really good at figuring out what you're going to use to validate the information once it comes into Intacct. So what reports are you going to need from your legacy system, Sage 50, Sage 100, QuickBooks, whatever it is? What are you going to use to actually judge whether or not the migration was successful? A lot of customers will get through the data migration and have no idea on how to check whether or not the data was done or migrated correctly. So give yourself a winning shot and actually know, well, what standard am I going to be using this? Am I going to be reporting in a cache basis? And so do I need to have a cache basis set of reports that are going to serve as my validation standard? Or am I going to be doing this on accrual or whatever else? So those are two relatively straightforward ones.